In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Facebook page name. I have a previous video on that, but I don't think it's enough and it's not that clear. So I'm going to do it again with clearer instruction using my phone and also my computer. Now before I begin, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more marketing tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump into my phone first. Let me show you how you can change your Facebook page name, and then after that, I'll go into my computer. Let's go. Alright, so first of all, open up your Facebook app in your phone. Go to top right, switch to your page. So it's very easy, just click on this, switch for example my page. So this is my page. Now you need to have proper access, of course. You need to have like admin access or access to change. Go to top right, click on the three lines, scroll down to settings and privacy, click on settings, scroll down, click on page setup, and you see name here, click on the name, and then you can change your name here. I'm not going to change it, but yeah, you can update your name here. Once you change your page name, they will ask for your password. Put in your password and you tap request change, and then your page name will be updated. So once you change your name, you can't change it for 60 days. Something to take note on if you want to change your page name. Okay, now let's jump into my computer quickly and show you how it can be done. So let's go. Alright, now you're at your computer. So open up your Facebook in Google Chrome or any other web browser you have. Okay, you can see a shortcut here, or you can just see more and find your pages here, or you can just click on here to change the profile. So now this is the page that I wanted to change, so I just click on this page. Okay, I'm not going to review. Okay, not now. So now I've already changed to my profile. All right, if it's not changed, you can just manually click on here. For example, this is the profile that I'm using. I can just very easily manually click on here, go to the page that I want to, click on it, and then I will switch it into the page itself. Okay, use page. So where you're going to change the name, click on the account again, go to settings and privacy, go to settings, go to page setup, same thing as well. Click on the name, then you can see here name, click on edit, and then you can change the name. Again, same thing, review. If you want to review change, you'll ask you for username and password, and then after that you can just change the name there. That's how you can change your page name. Very easy, very direct. Same method using phone and also computer. So it's applicable to everywhere as well. That is what you do if you want to change your page name.